Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving into the latest developments in Texas, where the state legislature is tackling new anti-abortion bills aimed at curbing access to abortion pills and imposing stricter regulations.
A new report shows thousands of Texans are ordering abortion pills through the mail every month.
As the Texas legislature begins its 2025 session in Austin, a number of new anti-abortion bills have been filed, focusing mainly on preventing the flow of abortion pills into the state. These bills are designed to close what many see as a loophole in the current abortion bans, as pills have become a critical method for obtaining abortions, especially as traditional procedures face more legal restrictions. The state and #039's largest anti-abortion advocacy group, Texas Right to Life, has played a significant role in drafting these bills and is pushing for men to be able to sue those who help facilitate abortions for their partners. Texas was the first state in recent years to pass a 6-week abortion ban, which took effect months before the fall of Roe v. Wade. After the Supreme Court and #039's decision in the Dobbs case, which overturned Roe v. Wade, Texas implemented a total ban on abortions, threatening doctors with up to life in prison. The state has often been a testing ground for anti-abortion laws, with many other Republican-led states adopting similar strategies. Despite a law in Texas that criminalizes the mailing of abortion pills to residents, enforcement has proven difficult. Even with these legal challenges, an average of 2,800 abortions are still being performed in the state each month, with many women seeking help from states that have passed shield laws protecting providers of abortion services. These shield laws have allowed women to access abortion medications from providers outside Texas, as well as through underground networks. This situation has become a source of frustration for anti-abortion activists who view the ability to obtain abortion pills by mail as a loophole that needs to be closed. In response, Texas Republicans have pre-filed several bills targeting abortion pills. One such bill would classify sending abortion pills by mail without a prescription from an in-state doctor as a deceptive trade practice. Another proposal seeks to reclassify abortion drugs as dangerous controlled substances, similar to measures in other states that doctors warn could delay life-saving care. Additionally, another bill aims to allow citizens to file lawsuits forcing internet service providers to block websites that host abortion funds or offer information about obtaining abortion pills. These websites, such as Aid Access, Plan C, and Hey Jane, are often targeted by anti-abortion groups for helping women access abortion services outside of the state. One of the more controversial aspects of these bills is the introduction of a private bounty hunter scheme, similar to the one used in Texas and #039, 2021 abortion law, which allows citizens to sue anyone they believe has helped facilitate an abortion. This mechanism is designed to enable private citizens to hold people accountable for facilitating abortions, even across state lines. However, this approach raises concerns about the potential for conflicts of law, as it could complicate the enforcement of abortion laws in situations where they conflict with laws in other states. Texas Right to Life has made blocking the flow of abortion pills into the state its top priority for the upcoming legislative session. The group is also encouraging men to file wrongful death lawsuits against doctors and organizations that help facilitate abortions, with the hope of holding people accountable and deterring future actions. In one high-profile case, a Texas man filed a lawsuit against his ex-wife and #039's friends for allegedly helping her obtain an abortion. Although the case was eventually dropped, it highlighted the growing trend of men being encouraged to take legal action against those involved in facilitating abortions. The Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton, has also been involved in efforts to crack down on abortion pills, including a lawsuit against a New York doctor who allegedly mailed abortion pills to a Texas woman. This lawsuit could test the effectiveness of shield laws and the legal conflicts that arise when different state laws come into play. Additionally, a new bill, HB 1004, could empower the Attorney General to independently prosecute abortion-related offenses, further strengthening the state and #039's anti-abortion stance. On the other side of the debate, Democrats in the Texas legislature have filed bills aimed at clarifying the legal framework for doctors, particularly with regard to medical exceptions to abortion laws. These proposals seek to allow doctors to use their best medical judgment when treating patients and suggest measures to carve out exceptions in cases of rape and incest. However, given the Republican majority in the legislature, these bills are unlikely to pass. As the session unfolds, it is clear that the battle over abortion rights in Texas will continue to intensify, with both sides pushing for legislative changes that reflect their values. However, the legal challenges surrounding abortion pills and cross-border enforcement will likely continue to complicate the situation, potentially leading to further legal battles in the months and years to come.